Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode on X. So open X application on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu, let's scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to section that's called accessibility, display and languages. Now from here go to display and sound section. In the display and sound page you want to find dark mode option, and finally at the very top of your page you can turn dark mode on. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.